In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to enable or disable access to Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So let's get started. So all we have to do is we need to make a right click at the start button and click on run. Once run window is open, then we have to simply type in here Edit or Registry Editor. Click on OK to open the Registry Editor window. Once the Registry Editor window is up, then we have to navigate to the HK local machine. Click on that and click on the arrow to expand the list. Then we have to click on Software. Click on that, click on the arrow to expand the list. Then we have to look for Policies. So let's scroll down. Click on Policies. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then click on Microsoft. Click on the arrow to expand the list. So here we need to create a new key. So right click on the Microsoft folder, select new, select key, and let's name this Windows Store. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. Capital letter W for Windows and capital letter S for Store, but no spaces in between or no space in between. And then you have to click on the Windows Store folder, which is the new key, and then right click and then select new and then select the word 32-bit value. See here we're going to name this value as remove Windows Store. The same thing as what you can see on the screen, remove Windows Store with no spaces in between, capital letter R for remove, capital letter W for Windows, and capital letter S for Store, and then double click. So if we're going to change or if we're going to put it a value data by 1, so value data 1 hexadecimal, click on OK. Then right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart. That means you are disabling it. But if you want to enable it, just simply change the value data to 0 and then click on OK and then close the registry and then restart. Right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart. So 1 for disabling it, 0 for enabling it. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.